1.6 gigs of RAM usage. Wow. You get cucked if you honestly get cucked if you buy a Mac Nazgan. I love that profile picture. What happened with Onision? What the fuck happened? Mac VM tutorial when? Well, I'm making a big video tomorrow, but I can't cover Mac VMs. Thank you, Mad Monk, for being a new member. If you guys really like that video, I'll definitely cover Mac VMs. What the fuck is this? Wait, he had a cord update? No way. Oh, wait, you guys can't even hear it, can you? Hold up. Hold up. Let me fix this shit. What? I can't even hear anything. What? Oh, I can't output to you guys? That's some bullshit. Oh, wait. Hold up. Do I have PC Optimizer Pro installed? No. I know you guys can't hear it. What the fuck is this? Let me just reinitialize that GPU real quick. Onision is being embarrassed by Chris. I see Combat Wombat in there. Is Onision being embarrassed by Chris Hansen? So let me just tell you this much, okay? Normally, I'm not a huge fan of all this shit. You know what I mean? Like the whole whatever. But like, I love seeing Karma being played. So I love the whole reality. Do all the brown YouTubers from Toronto know each? I have no idea about my fellow Toronto YouTubers, man. Like, all I know was JStation, and I don't want to know him anymore at all. All I know is him from Toronto. I don't know many other people. To be fair, like, I don't even know many people from, like, YouTube, aside from the few lads that I've met, so. All the cool people I know from, like, YouTube are literally people that I've seen in on the internet. That's about it. Guys, I'm not going to look at Boogie, man. Boogie's done with it, dude. It's like, what did he try to fake being hacked? Get out of here, dude. We're not doing that shit anymore. Your hands on my favorite YouTuber. Thank you for coming with. Thank you. Think about starting a channel. What editing software? I use Adobe CC. Very, very, very good at it. You get like 9 or 10 pieces that just help with your workflow. Go for it any day.
Here in Detroit, it's January 24th. The James Jackson versus Chris Hansen and Daniel Salzback, a.k.a. Repzion.
No way! No way! Tim Horton coffee seemed weak lately. It's been weak for a year, brother.
Team on the ground there,
weak for a while.
Hansen, and Daniel has his own team as well. We have other people who will be in the courtroom and in the courthouse on the lookout. And
Scarce mentioned me? Oh shit.
Either taking pictures or videotaping.
I'm glad Scarce is back, dude. I miss Scarce.
That's taking place today at 1:30 Pacific time.
Linus Tech Tips, I think, is like Vancouver.
No, or didn't hear the broadcast the other night.
I don't think Discord is on, guys. I haven't activated it.
Had a petition filed against him for an order for protection of harassment. And it's kind of like a PPO, a personal protection order in some states. That's what they call it here in Michigan. And it is alleging that it was an emergency situation.
Holy crap, we got a hell of a lot of Japanese in the chat.
Mr. Jackson alleges that Mr. Hansen was a stalker, showed up at the house, making hateful and harassment type videos since August of 2019. Mr. Hansen.
Yo, hold on. Can I just say for a second, blame it on Jorge is my fucking spirit animal. We got so wasted in Texas. I love, you know what, man? If I had a fucking whiskey right now, I'd be like toasting it to my boy, blame it on Jorge. That guy can fucking get it. And me and Ryan chugged like 42-ounce beers, bro. We were fucking lit as fuck out in there. Let me tell you. Whew. Thank you, John Winning, for liking the content. Thank you, Meltstrap, for free MacBook. Don't deal with YouTubers. Yeah, there's only a few YouTubers I'll work with.
Never received notice of this or service of this, which is relevant in legal terms. It's just like a lawsuit or a subpoena. You must get official notice by a process server or someone in law enforcement, someone licensed to hand these over, just like a subpoena would be served or a lawsuit. So technically, there's legal argument that can be made that this hearing should not go forward.
Make your fucking bed. I'll try.
The lawyers on the ground will handle those objections if they need to come up. First thing that has to happen is Mr. Jackson,
$5 more for a rant about
as well as Kai, must...
Guys. Fuck Raid Shadow Legends! There you go.
Must show up at the courthouse
what's
today.
That FOI
These type
polo?
of personal protection type orders
require
the petitioners, which is what they are, to show up in the courtroom and state their case. It's not enough to just do it on. So first thing first, if they don't show up, it gets dismissed. There will be no argument. There will be no lawyers arguing with the other side of the judge.
Have you tried i3?
Secondly,
I don't do
Mr.
tiling
Jackson
windows
and Kai
managers,
Jackson
man. It's not my
are
jam.
Representing themselves. It's called in pro se. They filed this without an attorney, it appears. They signed it themselves, and they don't have an attorney. So they're handling this case on their own. So Mr. Hansen, as well as Repzion, will have a legal counsel there prepared to make the arguments. What I think is interesting is the definition of harassment and what will be at the center of this argument today. So I'm going to put that up here on the screen for you. But unlawful harassment means a knowing and willful...
All right, this is kind of fucking boring. I didn't sign up for a fucking like legal lesson. I just want to know what's going on with Onision. All right, court. So what... I think it's better if I just like Google it. Hold on, Onision court. This is like fucking boring. I'm not into that shit. This is how Onision showed up to. What is this? No fucking way. This is how he showed up to court, bro. Bro. That's like Maverick's weird brother. Okay, dude. All right, that's cool. All right, it's kind of legit, man. It's kind of legit. I like it. He looks all right. He kind of looks like Maverick from Siege, honestly. That's what it is. When am I gonna play shitty? When I find some more shitty PS2 games, man. When I do it, Onision goes to court. What happened to the court though? I gotta see this. I gotta see the court battle though. There's like one update, but it's like, what happens? What like got updated today? Like, is it still being done, or is it still being judged? I don't. Lost in court. What is this? Anyone see the? Onision. No, that's like a year ago, bro. I need to see it now. He had a tac vest? No way he had a tac vest. Onision was like former army though, so he probably had a tac vest. I'm not sure. Oh my god, he's sitting by the fireplace, Ty Lopez style. Get out of here, dude. Oh my god. Yo, these guys will not let it go. I like it. This is like the best advertising you'll ever fucking see. Wow. Watch Repzion's video. What happened, dude? I gotta see this, man. Like, I have to see. I've been following this Onision shit, and like, the one day I take a break. The one day I take a break from the internet, fucking Boogie gets his account fake hacked, and this shit happens. Like, what the fuck is going on the internet, dude? It's weird. I gotta go to Repzion's channel, though. Everyone, dude, it's crazy. He dismissed himself? What?
Hello there. Today is January 4th.
Hello there, Repzion.
2020.
Bro, fight against
and
the YouTube
I am going
cancer.
to court in roughly 2 hours. I'm going to be taking a Lyft/Uber there because, quite frankly, I don't want him seeing my car or anyone to see my car or license plate number, just because I'm paranoid and the way U.S.
Listen, man, I love Repzion, but if I hear the words, I'm gonna take a Lyft/Uber again, I'm gonna lose it. Either pick one or the other, bro. The same Coke or Pepsi. You get one of the apps, you get one of the services. That's what you do.
Works if you got my license plate number. You can find out where I live and like my parents and all that stuff. So I'm just on the side of precaution and safety.
Off toggle.
But for those of you who don't know,
I'm playing Persona 5 Royale. I already pre-ordered it.
Onision filed a protective order against me. No, I am not being sued. I am being summoned.
Oh yeah, I saw the critical mention today. That was really nice. Daddy mentioned
as
me.
Onision makes his case for me, quote unquote, cyber stalking him and harassing.
Okay, let's go a
massive
little further.
Discrepancy in your claim against me, which also wouldn't that mean that you've met your current husband, Kai, when he was 15 years of age? You specifically say 10 years I've been doing this, which I haven't. My first video.
Bro, what? No fucking way! Wait a minute! That Kai person he's been with? That was almost a... Dude, what? Omae wo mono shindeiru? What the fuck? Okay. Kya? 15 saal ki thi wo? Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Okay. Whoa. Oh my. I know I shouldn't be laughing, but holy fucking shit, that's... Wow, I just found that out today. Oh my god.
was uploaded in 2011, talking about the weird sporadic behavior of filming an ex-girlfriend when she was having a seizure. Definitely not normal.
I saw that video. It's fucked up. When like that Shiloh girl was like fucking losing her mind. It's just like fucking like. I saw that.
Regardless of that, this is what's going to happen today. My attorney is going to ask for a continuance because I only roughly had about a week and a half to prepare for this. And regardless of how petty or ridiculous the claims are against me that he is claiming, you took a social commentator who just covers things publicly, and you're wasting my time, the court's time, and pretty much everybody's time.
Yeah, I wasn't even expecting you to pack South.
Ryan just like recruited me. All I can really think is that this is your attempt to silence me from criticizing anything that you do online. And I'm here today to tell you that that is not going to happen. Hello there, so here we are. Look, we're in Tacoma, Washington right now.
God, that place looks fucking depressing, dude. I'm sorry to say, why is this so depressing to look at?
Pierce County District Court, here we are. This is definitely going to be an experience. This matter is before the court for hearing upon the request of the petitioner that a protective order be issued. After review of the file and testimony of the party, the petition
that is kind of like
denied because checkmark.
I don't know, man. Flint, Michigan don't look too bad. That's what BC looks like too. I know British Columbia looks like that, brother. That's why Toronto's the better side.
Petitioner requested dismissal.
Wait, hold on a second. Just to ask, I've never been to Washington, and I've never really fucking been to BC other than a few drunk moments. But isn't it typically rainy where, like, Seattle and, like, Vancouver are? Like, Washington's a pretty rain-worthy state, right? Like, you guys are up there with, like, fucking London and shit, right? I think. Isn't that how it is over there? Like, it's, like, aren't you guys more rain-heavy over there? Because I can't live in rain-heavy. I will check the DMs after this. Onision, by the fuck, looks like Repzion Green Day. I'm from Portland, Oregon. We call Tacoma to Compton. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Eastern Washington isn't so rainy. Vancouver, bro, yes, it is.
Dismissal of petition. So I just got out of court, okay, and
that laptop runs all AAA games.
What I can say is that I was pleasantly surprised that Greg dismissed his own protection order against me, which was surprising and something I did not expect. But
so wait a second. He had a protection order and fucking removed it. By the way, General, thank you for the $5 donation. I'm not sure if you read my other message for it, but it doesn't matter to me. This whole stream is making my week better. Hey, man, I'm glad your week is better. You guys don't have to donate. Just have a good time, relax, and call it a day. And I know I'm in autoplay, so I'm going to show up right after.
Look at the original paperwork. He said that I had been stalking him for 10 plus years, and that I was cyber stalking him specifically. But he dismissed his own case today in court, and I had to demonstrate something that was
wait. So he sues him, and then fucking throws the court out? Like, what? He sues him, and then when he gets to the fucking courtroom, throws the case out. Like, what kind of fucking 4D chess move is that? Like, you file for the order, you get the order, you go to the case, and then you just fucking do... What? Dude, you not... What the fuck is... What? Thank you, Nesty, for the Dolan, man. We call it Hong Kong Wrestle. It's so fucking ready. Why?
So let me pan this over a little bit like that.
Not even how it works.
Mind you, this is the first time I've ever been in the same room or even vicinity of Onision.
Thank you, Caleb, for being a new member.
Ever. He took me to court. Last week, I think it was January 14th, I was served some paperwork that said Onision and Kai Jackson,
Dylan, that's an MSI
are filing a anti-harassment order against me, which was shocking because all I do is I just talk about things that they do publicly.
Sorry
online.
if you guys couldn't see. I'm just like so into this.
One of the most interesting things is how he walked in the courtroom, and allow me to demonstrate.
I'm kind of an idiot. I'm sorry for that, dude. I need to get like a I need to hire somebody to just do it for me.
Straws like this.
Oh man! Oh, you can't just do that while I'm watching the video. What the fuck? Like you can't just do that.
How he walked in the courtroom, and allow me to demonstrate because I think an example is He had this like straw like
oh
this.
my god! He walked in like a tard.
Kind of like, you know? He walked in and had his paperwork and went like this. And kind of like, kind of with a slouch.
Shit.
And he made some like really loud sighs.
Oh man, that's like that's like that one really stupid kid. You know, like when you're in like fucking primary school and shit, and there's like this one kid that wants to like talk shit. So he's like, "Don't get near me, I'll beat the shit out of you." But his only attack is like going T-pose and like spinning around really fast, like a Beyblade. And so at that point you realize, wow, that kid is really fucking stupid. Wow. God damn, I feel bad for like getting into this fight, dude. I should beat myself up for it. It's kind of what you get out of it, man, honestly. Don't you feel that? Don't you kind of feel that? You know, it is what it is, dude. It is what it is. Some motherfuckers, bro, let it rip. Thank you.
And his overall demeanor was just like...
Do you find my laugh annoying? I do too.
Best way I can describe it is very, very pompous. So what was going to happen today is I was going to request a continuance
I had to respond to it.
To rebuttal what he originally filed against me. But he did in fact dismiss his own
Is there anything else?
Go through your brain that everything I talk about is public on here. It's public record. The thing in this video,
you go through like Google and all that shit.
He said that. I'm not even going to read it out because it makes me too angry. I will never...
You're not going to read it out because the demonetization filter would pick it up. Come on.
The other interesting aspect of this is that the case with Chris Hansen was completely, utterly dismissed. Because apparently he had the wrong Chris Hansen served. And they even went on the...
एक second, क्या? एक second, फिर से मुझे सुनना है क्या हो रहा है?
Aspect of this is that the case with Chris Hansen was completely, utterly dismissed. Because apparently he had the wrong Chris Hansen served. And they even went on the record and
What? Hold on. Wait a minute. What the fuck? Wait. That's not real. This is they're making it up. This isn't You're telling me. No, hold on. Reset. All right. You're telling me that when he filed a legal court matter, he put the wrong Chris Hansen. Oh, thank you, Marcy, for listening to the stream from the ride home. I'm just being a retard. You're telling me they had the wrong Chris. You can't be that fucking stupid. I refuse to believe you can be that fucking stupid that you filed the wrong Chris Hansen. You're shitting me. You are absolutely shitting me. You got the... What? Dude, where the fuck did he hire his lawyers? Fisher-Price University? That's like the simplest shit in the world. Where the fuck did you get the lawyer? Where'd you get the lawyers? McDonald U? They have to be the most fucking retarded lawyers you've ever heard of. How the fuck can't you get your lawyer to file the right person? No way, he didn't get a lawyer. You're right. Oh my god. It's like doing TurboTax, bro. Oh man, I don't know why I owe this much money to the government. I used TurboTax and filled everything in. Oh my god. Holy fucking shit. Wow. Wow, that's bad. That's really bad. I mean, like, you can't make it up. You just can't. Like, it's fucking retarded. Like, you can't make it up. You just can't. You cannot make that shit up. I wish you could, but you can't. Fucking dumb, bro. God, you just can't. You just fucking can't. Okay. Alright, that happened. Wow.